Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking in. I'm back with another job lead, guys. American Express is hiring. I just wanted to come and let you guys know. One of the positions that they have available is executive admin assistant. It's could be a hybrid role or a virtual role. So on the left hand side, once you click on jobs, you see up here these tabs. You can click on career areas or jobs, and on the left hand side, it'll show you all the other jobs that are currently available. But with American Express, guys, you will lead the way. You lead the way. We've got your back. With the right backing, people and businesses have the power to progress in incredible ways. When you join Team MX, you become part of a global and diverse community of colleagues with an unwavering commitment to back our customers, communities, and each other. Here you'll learn and grow as we help you create a career journey that's unique and meaningful to you, with benefits, programs, and flexibility that support you personally and professionally. At American Express, you'll be recognized for your contributions, leaderships, and impact. Every colleague has the opportunity to share in the company's success. So, guys, I want to tell you more about this position. It's an admin role, an executive admin role, where here you'll join the team and you will be responsible for administrative support for 2 to 3 vice presidents in Amex Digital Lab teams. And the position is integral part of dynamic and fast-paced teams, and that it requires seamless and collaboration and coordination across a wide range of businesses and band levels. The ideal candidate must have experience in handling a wide range of administrative related tasks, have an interest and passion in supporting leaders, and be able to work confidently and independently. This role also includes broader responsibility to help the VPs manage the teams, which may include helping to manage the team budget, training, and development programs, and other event strategic initiatives. Your responsibilities will include, but are not limited to, coordination of calendar management, managing across senior business leaders, dispersed location, differing time zones, arranging meeting rooms, video and audio conferences, as well as coordinating team meetings, off-site activities, and other events, booking international U.S. travel with knowledge of Amex travel booking tools, preferred vendors, and associated policies. You'll be ensuring timely participation or preparations, and processing of expense reports, reviewing expense submitted to leaders, and highlighting any of the out of policy spend, tracking and processing all of the invoices, collaborating with the team to administer training and development and activities. You would ad hoc administrative tasks, including updating organization charts, updating distribution lists, updating PowerPoint documents, exceptional organization and administrative skills, ability to work under pressure, tight deadlines with strong attention to detail and timely follow-up, team player who is dependable, enthusiastic, has a positive attitude, strong PC skills and MS Office applications, Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and Outlook, excellent communication skills, both written and oral, strong relationship building, interpersonal influencing, and collaborating skills across multiple band levels, proficiency in American Express applications, including but not limited to Amex Meet, WebEx, Concur, Expense Management, Ariba Buyer, MYHR Payroll, Career Track, flexible schedule preferred. Digital Labs colleagues are based in both the UK and the US, East and West Coast, likes to have fun. Guys, this salary ranges from $24.05 an hour to $48.10 an hour, plus bonuses and benefits. The above represents the expected hour pay range for the job requisition. Untimely in determining your pay will consider your location, experience, and other job related factors. We back our colleagues and their loved ones with benefits and programs that support the holistic well being. That means we prioritize their health, financial, and mental health through each stage of life. Benefits include competitive base salaries, bonus incentives, 6% company match on retirement savings plans, free financial coaching and financial well-being support, comprehensive medical, dental, vision, life insurance, disability benefits, flexible work arrangements, and schedules with hybrid or virtual options with MX Flex, 20 plus weeks paid parental leave for all parents, regardless of gender, offer for pregnancy, adoption, or surrogacy, free access to global on-site wellness centers, staff with nurses and doctors depending on location, free and confidential counseling support through our Healthy Minds program, career development and training opportunities. For a full list of the team Amex benefits, visit this link here, guys. It's a colleague benefit site. At American Express, you'll be recognized for your contributions, leadership, and impact. Every colleague has the opportunity to share in the company's success. Together, we win as a team, striving to upload our company values and powerful backing, promise to provide the world's best company experience every single day. So, guys, you come here, click on this link. You'll learn more about the job seekers. Click here. You'll learn more about the details here. And you can also take a look at the other jobs that they have available here. So, guys, I just wanted to come and say congratulations to whoever gets this role. Wishing you good vibes, nothing but success. Good luck to you guys. Super excited for whoever gets this role. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. You are amazing. Hope you are just making it an amazing day for someone else, guys. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Love you lots. You are the best. I truly and sincerely appreciate you all so very much. Bye for now, friends.